Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off active mode on Instagram. You know, this small green dot that always shows when you're online or offline and when people knows when to message you and when not. Let me show you how you can actually manage this function. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. The second thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you're at your account, guys, follow very closely. I want you to hit the upper right corner and click on the 3 straight lines. Now, very important, you want to click on settings and privacy. With the recent updates from Meta, things are hidden. I would say everything is very hidden, all the settings. You need to go through plenty of different menus. I'm gonna give you a shortcut over here. Okay, go on the search bar and just start typing active. Okay, and it will show up as the first result. Search, show activity status. Okay, this is where we end up. You want to click this off, and now it's off. Essentially, this simply means that this green light showing when you're active or not active will not show anymore. Then your friends will no longer say, okay, I saw you that you're active, but you didn't message me back. What happened, right? This is how you turn this on and off, guys. For more tips and tricks, you gotta subscribe, watch, and come back for more.